In this video, we're going to learn how to add products to the new payment section and use them in funnels. The new payment setup allows you to integrate PayPal and Stripe with your account and manage all of your products from one place. To get started, first, we need to integrate Stripe and/or PayPal with our account. Next, we'll go to the Products tab in the Payments section and click the Plus Add Product button. Here, we need to enter the product details. For this example, we're going to set the product name to My Amazing Setup. You also have a description box to list any specifications about your product that you want to add. Now we will choose the pricing options. Here, we're going to set the pricing name to Monthly Plan. You can also set the product billing period options here. Additionally, you can change the product price to be one-time or recurring. Please note, the currency is selected based on the country in the location settings. For this example, we're going to set the price to $100, and we will choose recurring subscription in the reoccurring price options. You can also customize the billing period to monthly, daily, or however you would like. In additional options, you can also set a trial period for the product so that your customers are not charged the subscription amount right away. You can also set a defined number of payments in case you only want to create a payment plan for a fixed amount. Or if you want to charge someone repeatedly for a certain amount of time, there's also an option to add a setup fee to your product. This fee will be charged up front, and the trial period will not apply to it. Lastly, if you want to grant a membership offer when someone purchases the product, you can enable the membership offer toggle and choose the offer which you would like to grant. For this example, we're going to set a trial period to 7 days, and we're going to add a $20 setup fee. Now that the product settings have been configured, we'll go ahead and click on the Create This Product button. If you want to add more prices for the same product, for example, you want your customers to be able to choose between a one-time payment or a subscription option, you can add more prices to the same product. Just click on the product and then choose the plus add another price option to add another price to the product. Now that we've created our product, let's go over and create a new funnel and add the product there. Let's go to the Sites tab inside the nav bar and make sure you have funnels selected at the top. And then we're going to click on the plus new funnel button to create our new funnel. We're going to name this funnel Awesome Funnel and click Create Funnel. Next, let's add a new funnel step where we'll add our products. Click on the plus Add New Step button and enter the name for the page. We're going to call it Payments and click on the Create Funnel Step button. Now, let's add our two-step order form here. Select Edit Page to open up the funnel editor. For this example, let's add a section. Select Medium, then select Row, then choose one column, add an element, then scroll down and drag and drop the order form element into the column. Let's quickly configure the order form settings as per our needs. Click on the order form element and then click on the advanced settings on the left menu. We'll hide the information which we don't need here. For this example, we can click on Toggle Company Name field to hide the company name. Additionally, we can hide the phone from the Toggle Phone and hide the shipping from Toggle Shipping. Next, let's change the heading of the first step since we don't need any shipping information. Click on the step number 1 headline and change it to Personal Details. Then below, click on step number 1 subheadline and change it to Enter your name and email. Awesome. Now let's save this page and add our product. Click on the Save button at the top right and wait for the page to save. Now let's navigate back to the funnel steps list where we can add the product to this step. Remember, the product needs to be added to the page which has the order form. To add the product, we'll go to the Products tab for this page. Now we'll click on the plus Add Product button, add the product name, which will be shown on the order form to the customer. For this example, we're going to name it Awesome Funnel Setup Package. The price display override can be used in cases where we want to display a custom price on the form. In this example, we're using a product with a trial and a setup fee. So if we don't use the price display override field, the form would only show the actual subscription amount, that is $100. So we'll use the price display override field to give the price description. Inside the price display override field, we're going to put $20 setup fee plus $100 a month after 7 days. Next, we'll choose the product and price which we just created. In additional options, we can enable the bump product toggle if this product is not primary and will be sold as a bump offer. Now hit save to save the product, and that's it. The product is now visible on the order form. So let's go back to the page preview and check it out live. So click on the Overview tab and then select the Preview Page button below to view the two-step order form. Here's the first step of the form where we'll fill out our personal information. So now we're going to enter a test name and a test email and then select Go to Step 2. And perfect, the product is available on the second step of the form. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to add products to your funnels using the new payment section.